Last week, I did a video where I talk about 5 easy business you can start right now and begins to make money right away. And in that video, I also promise you guys that I'm going to speak in detail on how to start those businesses. Today, we are going to talk about car wash. Car wash was one of those profitable and easy business you can start right now and begins to make money right away. Now, I'm going to share with you in this video the step by step that you need to take to start the car wash right away. Number one of the steps is to decide on the type of car you want to wash. Do you want to wash for private people or you want to wash for commercial people? You have to determine the kind of car you want to wash. After that, the second step you need to take is to find out the number of cars in your areas. You may not know exactly the number of cars in your area, but you can guess on your street or in the nearby areas. You can find out to assume or accurately the number of cars that are in your area. And then by the time you were able to get the knowledge of some number of cars in your street or in your areas, then you can decide to find a way to reach out to them. That is why I always say that the best capital any aspiring entrepreneur can have is sales capital. You should deploy techniques or a system you can use to start reaching out to them to tell them that you are starting a car wash business, that they can bring their car for you to wash for them. And then begins to notify or possibly collect their contacts so that the time you started, then it begins to reach out to them. How do you want your car to be washed? So having the best ways of selling your knowledge or your services is what you should start to deploy at the second stage. That is after you have find out the numbers of cars in your area. Number three is look for a location of where people can come park their cars, you will wash for them. After you have gotten the location, you begin to look for materials that you need to wash the cars. If you don't have money to buy expensive material, I think everybody have buckets in their bathroom. Get one or two of your buckets in your bathroom and go along with yourself. Then you can employ someone around you that can help you to fetch water, a drum of water, maybe possibly a 1,000 or so that they can you use that to wash people's car for them at the beginning. Along the line, the little income you're generating from washing the car, you can use it to start buying some high flying facility for car wash. Car wash is a very lucrative business, especially in a city like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, all those juicy cities with too many cars. So many people don't have time to wash their cars. If you can do this service, I can assure you, you are going to be happy at the end of the day. Don't be ashamed of what you are doing. Being a business person is an ability to do what others hate, which in return will change your life financially. Instead of you waiting for a white collar job or crying up and down, Nigeria is bad, why can't you start this type of business right now? It's one of the major reasons I decided to do this video because many people are complaining, no jobs, no this, no that. That's why I decided to come up with these 5 easy businesses you can do right now and make money, which car wash is one of them. We are on location. So if you don't have money to rent a high flying location, you can decide to use any place nearby where you live right now. If there's anywhere where you live right now around your compound that people can park their car, you wash for them, you can start from there. And if you are lucky to get a location that's cheaper or that is, you not even pay any money, use it. Start from there. Start small. Starting business at the beginning is always very challenging. Have it in mind that it comes with a lot of pain. So when you have gotten a location, get some buckets you can use to arrange water where you'll be washing your customer's car. The next thing is type of soap you should use, which is number four. The type of soap you should use. Don't use detergent to wash people's car. If you use detergent to wash people's car, I can bet you you are putting yourself in problem. And detergent used to change the color of a car. You can walk into any supermarket in your area and ask, where can I get a car wash liquid soap here? They can show you. They are not expensive. So if you buy one, maybe some of them can get 5K or 2K or 3K. You can use it on multiple cars at the same time. So at the end, when your business begins to grow, you begin to get better facilities to give your customer better services. The type of soap you use is very important. There's a particular soap that I use to wash my own car, but I don't want to mention or give somebody free advert here, but walk into any supermarket nearby, you can get a soap for car wash. Don't use detergent o, don't use anyhow soap o. Buy a soap meant for car wash. From there, I want you to also go about do your own research too, and I'm very sure you will come out strong and become successful. Take note of that.